Can you please?
Yeah, hi guys. My name is Jyothi and I am from Malayali Institute of Engineering and Technology under the stream of B.TECH Computer Science Engineering. I am a recent 2024 graduate with an aggregate CGPA of 7.2.
So after joining this institute, what are the technologies you learn?
So I joined this institute in Jan 2024 and I chose to be a Python full stack developer. Here they taught me everything from scratch like SQL, Python, HTML, CSS, everything was taught from scratch with basics, and with the help of them I was really able to develop websites, write the code for any question and crack the interviews also.
Okay, other than this technologies, anything you gained from the institute to crack the interviews?
Yeah, and the grooming sessions also helped me a lot. They taught me new things every time, and also the tips from the faculty also helped a lot. They gave me some tips how to answer specific questions related to projects and all.
Okay, do you got any interviews from your colleges?
Like ma'am, yes, I attended previous interviews, but due to my lack of technical knowledge and some nervousness and all, I could not crack them. But after joining this institute, I was able to overcome those all by presentations, mock interviews. Everything helped me a lot to overcome my fears, and now I'm here.
Congrats and all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.